B2 WinSuite helps translate the output from your ERP system to Excel in one click, with one header line only and different columns with well-defined data types. Most reports can be transferred automatically to Excel. These reports need to have a main header, aligned detail lines, a common delimiter. Some reports are not as standard. If the report has data before the header, columns that need to be split, subheaders, and subtotals, you need to use B2 Design before you can convert it to Excel. B2 Design is an easy-to-use design tool that allows you to customize existing canned reports before converting them to Excel. It is a design tool for turning the complicated ERP reports and preparing them for B2 Transform to convert them into a professional and structured Excel sheets. This is the Excel report we get when we print the report. We make the design for a single run, and it will work on other runs for the same report. Since we saved the design, anytime this report is printed through B2 WinSuite in Excel format, the design will be picked. Are you ready to get maximum control over your ERP output? Contact us today.